In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix WhatsApp call unavailable. And again guys, you just have to follow these few instructions here and it's really simple. So first things first you need to do is open the WhatsApp and we have to go to settings, which is gonna be located here in the lowermost right side up the WhatsApp interface. And we're just gonna have to scroll down a little bit until we found the help button. So you're gonna have to tap on that, and as you can see we have to click on contact us, and we'll only have to note down anything concerning your WhatsApp issues and any calls to action that needed to be taken. And once done, hit the next button. Once done, it will automatically redirect you to WhatsApp support and send you a message with a ticket number. They will get back to you or respond to your issue as soon as possible, as well as all issues that you wrote to them. You just have to wait a few minutes for WhatsApp support to reply to your specific issues. And that's pretty much it guys. I hope you find this very helpful and I hope you got your issues to be resolved as soon as possible.